3D printing is the latest trend in the manufacturing world. 3D scanning is a technology with which you can represent a real-life object virtually. 3D designing is the process in which you use a designing software to create a product from scratch. I am Rohan R, founder and CEO of Adhere Creations, and today I would like to introduce you all the new set of workshops that we are launching at Adhere Creations. We will be conducting hands-on and interactive workshops on 3D printing, 3D scanning and 3D designing in 3 different levels: basic, intermediate and advanced. These workshops will be available both offline as well as online so that you can choose the best workshop suitable for you. Why should you choose workshops at Adhere Creations to learn about 3D printing, 3D scanning and 3D designing? We have conducted workshops for more than 1,600 participants in colleges, offices, industries and more. We have conducted workshops both online as well as offline. Complete workshops at Adhere Creations and get the first preference when we hire new candidates. Receive hands-on experience on the latest technologies, add it to your skill set and use it in your profession worldwide. Receive a certificate on the completion of workshop at Adhere Creations that will add as a valuable asset in building your career. Now that you have learned more about our workshops, let me tell you about the takeaways that will add to the benefits. Get an industry recognized certificate from Adhere Creations that acts as a credential to your career or business. Receive up to 10% off on our next workshops on 3D printing, 3D scanning and 3D designing. Get exclusive coupons from Adhere Creations online store to order your customized 3D printed products of worth ₹500. Get up to 20% off on our services on 3D printing, 3D scanning and 3D designing. Get an ebook for yours to keep and to learn at your own pace. Make the best use of your time at home or anywhere with Adhere Creations ebooks. For more details about the workshop, in-depth topics, duration and dates, please check out on our website. Join us to experience the best of 3D printing, 3D scanning and 3D designing. Thank you.